So today's video is a very quick one. We'll be cutting an inseam pocket for Sokoto. When I mean Sokoto, is male trouser. So the first thing you do is to get the width of your pocket. So the width of my pocket is 7 inches. So now you connect your lines together. Your pocket has to be on fold. Then the length of the pocket will be 14 inches. On fold is 7 inches. Then the length of the pocket also will be 14 inches. You mark 14 inches here. Now you connect this way. So after connecting your pockets, from the length of your pocket here, you mark 8 inches here. So now you just curve the hem of your pocket this way. And see how it is. And if you don't want to make use of the freehand, you make use of your curve. So just do it this way. So now I'll cut this out. For your pocket, you'll be having 2 of these. It's 2 of these you cut out. So now the next you do is to, these 8 inches you mark here, don't worry, we have to launch it. But because we don't have enough fabric, the Ankara fabric is not enough. That's why we're making use of bridal satin for the pockets. So now you bring in your trouser. This is the front of my trouser. From the side of your trouser, you come down from the waist down to 4.5 and mark. Then for the length of your pockets, from this 4.5 you mark here, you come down by 6.5, depending on the height of the person. You can make use of 6.5 or 7 inches for the length of the pocket, but I'm using 6.5. So now you launch this, you launch here and here. So now you bring the pieces of your pockets, you open your pocket this way. So you bring the pieces of your Ankara on the bridal satin this way. So now you go and sew this down. Make sure it's on the length this way. You'll be sewing from the side here round. You repeat the same thing also on this other side. We are doing this because we are not making use of the Ankara fabric. After sewing your pockets, you come down from the up of your pocket by 8 inches, then you launch it. You can see the way I launch. I'm through with the sewing and I've given it a launch. Now you make the front of your pockets and the front of your trouser with facing each other this way. Then this launch we have on the trouser here, you make them together. So now you go and sew down to this launch we have here. So after sewing your pockets, you can see how it looks here. Now this up of your pocket here, the 4.5, you give it a launch. So after giving it a launch, open it up like this and go and press it down. You press it down. So I'm through with the pressing. Now we'll go and sew this down. You sew down from here, from this line here, down to this line, and you stop. I am through with the sewing. You can see how it is at the front. This is the front of my trouser and this is the back. So after doing that, now the next you do is to bring your pockets this way and you go and sew down like this. From ½ inches, you sew round the hem of your pocket down to this side and you stop. So I'm through with the sewing. You can see how it is at the back. Now you turn your pocket to the front this way. Then this is it. You've turned it to the front and this is the back of the pocket. You can see how it looks now. Then you bring the back of your trouser and you join them together. So this is the back of the trouser. So now I'll go and join down from the waist down to the hem. You join it down this way from your waist here on ½ inches down to your hem. So I'm through joining the back and the front of my trouser together. I join on ½ inches. You can see how it looks at the back. This is the front of the trouser and you can see this is how to fix a inseam pockets on your Sokoto. Thank you, and thank you guys for watching to the end. I really appreciate you all. I'll see you on the next one. God bless you.